Привіт-привіт, my dear friends, my name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson I'm going to tell you about the new rule in Ukrainian literacy that was brought into our language since the 21st of February. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. I'm really appreciate it. So, поїхали! Let's get it started! So guys, we have a new rule and it is official. It was introduced by our linguist and you can see it in all our media, on the news. Many Ukrainian bloggers write in this way. And the thing that we write such words as Russia, Russian, Putin, Putler with the lowercase, so no any capital letter. So you have to write also in English such words as Russia, Russian, like this, lowercase. I mean, because this country, these people are fascist and they support this horrible regime. They support the deaths of Ukrainian people, civilians. They destroy our cities, our schools, kindergartens, apartments, houses, business, everything. So this is how we should write the name of this. It's not even the country is like Orkistan, like orcs. Place, I saw the name and there was this orcs from the Lord's offering and they said, please don't call Russians with the name of our nation, it is humiliating for us. But what can we do if they are so similar with this kind of creatures? So these are official rules in Ukrainian language, in Ukrainian grammar, in Ukrainian literacy, so you need to follow them. And this is how I write also the name of this country and language and nationality. So I want to tell you that you have to use this kind of rule either in your native language like English one, or in Ukrainian it's obligatory and it won't be a mistake. So that was a new update about our language, and I'm, as your truly sincere teacher of Ukrainian language, I wanted to tell you about it. That's what we use, that what we have. So I allow you to write it in this kind of way and it will be absolutely correct. So guys, thank you for supporting my beautiful country, my beautiful people, my beautiful language and our culture. Together we will win this evil that spread death across the Europe. And if we won't stop it, it will spread it across the whole world. And I think nobody wants to have the World War III. So let's fight it, let's win it together, and I hope we will have the win very soon. So thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for your donations to Ukrainian army. And some of you may say, I don't want to support the war, I don't want to donate money to army. Come on guys, Ukraine is not the country who started this war. Ukraine is not the country of aggression. We are the country who fight desperately for our freedom, for our independence. And if you support Ukrainian army, if you donate to it, you support us, because Ukrainian army, they are bravely fighting for my life, for the life of Ukrainian women, Ukrainian kids, for our future. So you have to support our army, because specifically right now there is a big need to support specifically them, because they are our heroes, our angels who fight for us. And if you help them, it doesn't mean you support the war. I don't want to support the war. You support the Ukrainians and our freedom, because they protect us, our military guys, our angels. So that's the thing, that's the logic. So thank you so much for buying tees, hoodies from my charity store, Buy T-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And subscribe to my Patreon, subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Check out my online school, speaky.com. There you will find courses, private lessons, also textbooks, flashcards. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Ina, and Papa. Very soon you will come to Ukraine. We will meet with you and celebrate our common win together.